Continuing chapter 12, notes 1, here comes example number 2. Now, on this picture, you'll notice these little slash marks on the edge of the triangles, on the sides of the triangles. That means that those 3 sides all have equal lengths. And when that happens, you can also assume that the 3 angles are also the exact same size. So if they're telling us that this one is x, then that means they're all x. So we basically, to make an equation, we're going to take angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is x plus x plus x, and we're going to add that up to 180 because of the rule that we learned earlier. So it's time to draw my side separator, combine my like terms, divide both sides by 3, and I find out that x equals 60 degrees. And that is the answer to number 2. Number 3 is a little hard to see, but it's an isosceles triangle, meaning that 2 sides have the same length. So therefore, the 2 opposite angles, this one here and this one here, are also the same size. So I'm going to take angle A, which is 2x. Can't see it. Let's see what that is. Minus 4. 2x minus 4. Okay, plus I'm going to take angle B, which is also 2x minus 4. Plus I'm going to take angle C, which is x minus 2, and total that to 180 degrees because the 3 interior angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So here's my side separator. Here comes my combining of my like terms. That's a 2x, and an x makes 5x. A negative 4, a negative 4, and a negative 2 totals up to negative 10, and that together makes 180. I will now add 10 to both sides. Get 5x equals 190. Divide both sides by 5. And I will find out that x is 190 divided by 5, which is 38. All right, now, notice that the question did not ask you to solve for x. The question asked you to find the measure of each angle. So now we'll go back and we'll do measure of angle A equals 2x minus 4. That's 2 times 38 minus 4, which is 72. Measure of angle B is also 72 because they're equal to each other. And the measure of angle C is x minus 2. That's 38 minus 2. That's 36 degrees. Now, one more thing that I'll mention before we end this problem is that if you then wanted to check your work, that 36 plus that 72 plus that 72 should add up to the 180 that we originally said that all interior angles of a triangle add up to. So if you take your calculator and double check that, it does add up to 180, so it does check. And so the answer, there's 4 separate answers to number 3. First, the value of x is 38. Then the measure of angle A is 72. The measure of angle B is 72. And the measure of angle C is 36.